Then finally we have the footer. Yep, we have the footer. So I'm gonna copy the logo from the top and paste it over here, not inside section but over here. And then we have some description text. Again, we're gonna go over here, copy some text, and we have it 14 and medium left aligned. There you go. Then we have some more footer icons over here. Okay, let's call it company, contact, and maybe more. And then we have, let's create a duplicate, about, carriers, mobile, and let's increase the line height because it's a menu item, so we have to increase the line height for this one. Let's make these headings a little bit bolder and a little bit bigger. For this one we have help, FAQs, press, affiliates, and for here we can have airline fees, airlines, low fare trips, maybe something like that. Group, group, and group. And maybe we can add one more section to add some more details over here. For this section we can have something like this. Make it bolder and something like that. All right, so the final thing here is all rights reserved, copyrights 2022 maybe, and we're gonna centered. This is also a group. This is, everything should be aligned properly, and group, footer, copyrights, and then we're gonna have section, footer. All right, so we are done with this one, and finally we're gonna select all of the sections, add the constraints, something like this, and then finally we are going to resize the page so it fits properly. There you go. We have a complete landing page which looks really nice and it's modern. And so far you have learned how to create like extract image with shadows, how to add details to the page, how to make the design look interesting. And I hope you have liked what you have seen so far, and I will see you in the next tutorial. And the next tutorial will be about animating this in the Figma. So instead of going flat with this design, we can add some animations and we can make the design more presentable and more interesting. And also in the next video we shall be creating a presentation for Dribble and Instagram, so that we can publish our design on Instagram and Dribble and get some appreciations and maybe some work inquiries as well. And I will meet you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe my channel in order to get notified about the next videos.